What's up, fam? Man, I don't know what to do. I'm hungry. I went, my wife stopped, got some bologna, German bologna. Got 4 big slices of German bologna. And we were just talking about a old school bologna sandwich. It was just, we was like, oh, you know what? Let's just get some bologna, fried bologna sandwich. And just see with some egg on it and some sharp cheddar cheese, some Miracle Whip, and see what it turned out to be like. What y'all think? We just gonna do a quick video on an old school bologna sandwich. I don't know how many of y'all like bologna or how y'all like the sandwiches. I got our bread out, his and hers. For the bread, we gonna make 2 bologna sandwiches, fried with some egg and cheese on it and some Miracle Whip, and we gonna see how that works. All right, we finna go ahead to the stove, and I'm gonna put some butter in there. I got the pan heated up, and we gonna take this bologna and we gonna see. You know what? First thing I'm gonna do with the bologna though, so it won't swell up on me. Look, y'all. I think it gonna be bigger than the bread. I'm just gonna cut it in the middle. Little X. This thick, y'all. They thick. It's gonna be night-night after this. We're gonna see if that it'll stop it from, maybe it'll stop it from swelling up on us. If not, I'll cut the ends. I know what to do. All right, let's go put some butter in here and see what happens. See, I got it going, y'all. I got it hot. Oh, yeah. Let's just see what happens. All right. We're gonna see what's going down, y'all. We're gonna sit this on here. Oh, they fit. They fit, y'all.
Oh, mom,
Listen, look at that, look at that. We're gonna cut the fire up too, because it ain't right if it ain't burnt. You can't just be trying to simmer it and nothing. It's gotta fry good. All right. So we got enough butter in there, I think, hopefully. I'll add it if I need to. I don't want to use grease. I'm gonna see if this butter works for me. Yeah. We're gonna see if this butter, ouch, hot y'all. See if this butter works for us. All right. We cut it up some, just to make sure. All right. We're gonna let it sit for a minute, and then when it starts frying, I'm gonna come back and flip it. And it say, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. And we gonna see what the bologna's doing. All right, y'all. We'll be back in a minute. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification button and comment. And let's see how this work out, y'all. Peace. All right, y'all. While it's over there getting, that bologna getting ready, it's gonna be quick. This ain't gonna take long. We're gonna get these sandwiches ready. That's some thick bologna, so it's gonna take some thick Miracle Whip. Old school style. Ooh-wee. Look at that. You gotta have that Miracle Whip on there. Or mayonnaise, whatever you like to use. I just like Miracle Whip. You can use mayonnaise. You can use whatever you want to use. But I like mine super now. She don't like as much as I do, so you know who this one is. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, yeah. And I don't waste nothing. I love the Miracle Whip. I could just eat it with some cheese by itself. Yes, I can. We got that ready. Might as well get the cheese ready because when it come out, we're gonna have to be moving fast. We're gonna cut us. Ooh, this gonna be a sandwich for the making. Old school sandwich. Y'all know nothing about this cheese here, boy. Yes. All right. I know what y'all saying. Oh, that cheese. It might not go all on there, but we sure gonna see. We sure gonna try to make it work, I promise you. All right, y'all. The hard part is done. Let me go over here and check this bologna. That's ready for Freddie. Look at it, y'all. Woo-hoo. Oh, yeah. Gotta move this one over here with this big one, but it's cooking good. Y'all hear that? Y'all see it? Look at that bologna, y'all. Pat it down like a hamburger. Doo, doo, doo. Hamburger patty. This bologna patty, y'all. Gotta pat it down a little bit. Pat it down good. Ooh. How they do it back down? Hold it. All right, we're gonna let that simmer a little bit longer and see what happens. That butter working good, y'all.
It smells good.
Y'all should smell it. Y'all smell it? I'm not ready. I'm not ready. But it's almost ready, y'all. All right, let's just chill for a minute. All right, y'all, let's flip it and see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's got the right look now, y'all. It's got the right look now. Gotta have a little crunch to it, y'all. It ain't right if it ain't crunchy. It ain't right if it ain't crunchy. All right, y'all. We're gonna cut this back eye off. We don't need that no more. That's how them going together. Woo-wee. Uh-oh. Keep my egg down here. There we go. All right. Put a little pepper on it. A little salt. Oh yeah. Y'all see it, y'all. I gotta get it on. There we go. Now it's good. Get the hot egg on the hot pot. We're gonna make 2 split eggs on this and flip them. One for each sandwich. There they go. Look like I know what I'm doing, don't I, y'all? Boy, this gonna be good here. Y'all just watch that for a minute. Let me get this bread ready. All right, y'all. Give it a little flip. Woo. A little flip. going with the grease. We going with everything right on the bread. Well, it's butter. It ain't grease. It's butter. Low fat. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. I can cut this off now, y'all. We can cut this off now. Oh, look at here, look at here. All right, y'all ready, y'all? We going to the table. We going to the table. Going down old school, y'all. Here we go. First thing you gotta do is and hers. Ooh-wee. Then you put the cheese. Then you put the cheese. Then you go hers. Then you go his. Ooh-wee. That's hot, y'all. Then you add another piece of cheese. Then you take your egg. Bam. Put it on top. Egg. Put it on top. You put your bread. Then you put your bread. Y'all wanna come close? Come close, y'all. Come close. I can't even move. Look at that there, y'all. That's one of the old school Bologna and cheese sandwiches right there. Look at that there. And she can't eat hers like I eat mine. So what I do, I cut it. We cut them in half. You know what? I'm gonna cut mine today too. Just for y'all. We gonna cut it. Now look y'all. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. That's a meal right there, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm just playing. You know what I'm saying? I'm playing. I ain't playing, but I'm playing. Hey man, we ain't eating nothing else tonight. We gonna just eat this. And it'll probably be bedtime. It'll be dark in the soon. We're gonna do some sit-ups or something after this, y'all. But we just felt like an old school bologna sandwich with some cheese on it. And take a look, y'all. Come take a look. Get close. Look at that sandwich, y'all. You know what? Just keep looking. I gotta do it for y'all. I gotta do it for y'all. Here we go. I can't help myself. Look. Bring that up, man. Look, y'all. Look at that bologna, cheese, and egg sandwich. Hold on. Oh. You ain't even got to chew it. Oop. It go right down your mouth. All right, y'all. Subscribe, like, hit the notification button, and a comment. I know what y'all gonna do. Share it, tell a friend, tell a cousin, tell somebody to come watch and enjoy the family. We appreciate y'all. We out of here. Peace. I got bologna all in my mouth. Peace, y'all.